Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to add personal dictionary on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So, okay guys, here in your itel S15 mobile phone, you'll have to do is go to settings. In Settings, scroll down and go to System. Here in System, go to Language and Input. Okay, tap this. In Language and Input Assistance section, you can see the Personal Dictionary. And okay, you'll have to do is tap the Personal Dictionary. Here in Personal Dictionary, so I have no Personal Dictionary. So to add the personal dictionary on your itel S15 mobile phone, you'll have to do is tap the plus sign icon on the upper right side on your screen. And you can see here the type a word. And I create a word Richard. And okay, after you create a word, now you can create the optional shortcut. Okay, tap this. So for my example, I choose the R. So if you type R, the shortcut Richard is show. And okay, we can try it. Okay guys, I select the R or tap R. So here you can see the shortcut. So I type R and the Richard shortcut is show. So if you tap this, automatically insert on your search bar. And okay guys, we can back again and add another one. And here the example of my personal dictionary. So if you add another, so tap the plus sign again and type the word. So sample, I tap Cabile. Then okay, go to shortcut or optional shortcut. Okay, tap this and I select the C. And if you type C, the Cabile word is show on your shortcut. So, okay guys, we can view. So if you type C, for example, I type C, you can see here the shortcut is Cabile. So this is my personal dictionary. And okay guys, that's it. I've successfully create a personal dictionary on my itel S15 mobile phone. So okay, if you want to delete this personal dictionary, so you'll have to do is tap the dictionary you want to delete. For example, I delete Richard. Okay, tap this. And to delete the personal dictionary, you'll have to do is tap the delete icon on the upper right side on your screen to delete or remove the personal dictionary saved on your itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully add personal dictionary on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.